Check 1, 2. It's Monday, October 10th, 2022, and we are opening up here surprisingly close to where we closed on Friday. Had a massive down day on Friday. Many tech stocks, many leaders going much lower, and it's very surprising to me that we're opening up here. That is very conspicuous. On the ES, we're opening up right here, kind of right at this point of control, right on the ES, and we have borders around it up here, down here, but we are opening up right in the middle of this. So this is also very conspicuous. Not a lot of news, but we do have earnings coming up, I think kicking off at the end of this week. And I might need to take a long on this Netflix. Here around the 60s, 229.60s against, I wonder how far I have to give it, 228s. See if I can get any right there in the 60s, or I'm actually down below in the 30s. And on this NVDA, I think this is also going to move up, but where did Apple go? Yeah, Apple's holding on. And there's Netflix on highs. I did not get it down there. There's Coin on highs. There's Meta on highs. Want to keep an eye on that. NVIDIA cracking through lows one more time. And I think this might be it. For NVIDIA. I think that's the bottom. No, it's not. Maybe this is. Microsoft, new lows. Gonna buy some NVIDIA there. I got 92 cents, and I'm going against low a day there. Just like the way this is shaping up. Meta on highs, everything is starting to turn around, and I am looking for a trip back. I think the first stop is up here at this 1880, maybe even this 18. And this NVIDIA falling apart now, not actually going. Got 90 cents, but might bail on this earlier. Yeah, I might have to take a stop on this. Huh. Surprised. Down into the 40s. Yeah, I'm surprised. I thought that was gonna rip. Can this get back above the hole? There's the hole. Can we go? Otherwise I might dump it right here. Yeah, not able to get up. That was my chance to get out up there. Netflix just beast moding. Absolutely. And there goes NVIDIA. Can she get up? I'm going to take a small piece there. Can we get up higher? I'm trying to. Can they lift the 30s? Can we go? Did all the hard work there, but don't really want to see it come back. I do think that was the bottom though. If we can get up above those 30s, I think we're going to go to 18. Let's see what we can get. But I might shed size. Back down. All the way back down. I pick up the one that I took off down here. I did. I just picked up another one and reloaded right there. Let's see if we can get back up above the hole. I'm gonna take part of that off up here, the one that I reloaded, just make some cash flow. Yeah, this is not going up, is it? There's Microsoft on lows. Yeah, I might dip on this. This is not going. It's got to go pretty quickly now. But it cannot get up. Cannot get up above the hole. Just really struggling. Gonna take another one off, or another piece off here. Just not able to get up. Gonna give it a couple more seconds, but then I might just dump the whole thing. Yeah, it's just struggling to get up above. It's got to really rip up above and go. It just can't get up. I'm going to take another one off right there. Can it get up above 30 here? No. No, I can't. Still have half my position on. Here's 30 again, and it just keeps running into that wall at 30. It's definitely some pressure buying against it, though. I'm going to put some offers out in case we just fly up there quickly. Every time we get above 30, we get smacked, though. Man, it really wants up there, though, doesn't it? Just can't get a 30 bid. Can't get a 30 bid. Just seller keeps coming back. Can't get a 30 bid. I'm taking another one off. And I'm just going to bail on the whole thing. Just a wash, basically. It just wasn't going. I mean, how many more times could I let it go? It just couldn't go, couldn't go, couldn't go, couldn't go. And I just have to manage the trade at this point. It wasn't an A+ setup where I needed to hold. Now that I'm out, it may go, as it usually does. There was a 30 bid for a brief split second. It'd be interesting to see how this resolves. But I can't ignore the fact that there was a seller there at 30. I was patient. I gave it a number of chances to get up through there, and it just would not. And again, there another 2 times it failed to get through 30. You can't ignore that. Like, it's not an A+ setup where everything's lining up in your favor. It was a B setup. It was a reversion play. Everything else is hitting lows. Market's coming into lows, and it's just not going. It just wasn't going. There's nothing you can do. You have to react to what's happening. So I still think the idea was okay. Let me set a marker here.